Okay, let's get more on this now with Nadia El-Belassi. She's Equiti Group's Senior Market Analyst, and she joins me live from Dubai. Welcome, Nadia. So let's first of all talk about what is driving those mixed performances that we're seeing in the Asia-Pacific markets. Specifically, let's talk about Japan and South Korea. Why is it happening?
So I think markets in general, Asian markets are tracking Wall Street gains right now. We've had a slew of mixed earnings. Tesla beat quarterly earnings, which was a really good thing for markets. However, there's like IBM and several other companies that were unable to exceed the forward guidance, or at least a positive way. So this affected Asian markets. But I think in general, the most thing that Asian markets are focused on are Japanese elections right now, and what could be an end of the LDP Democratic Party after 70 consecutive years. So I think this is also pressuring markets, I think, over the top. For example, what's happening in Japan right now is that also 50% of young adults are not even voting anymore. So I think this is what's causing panic a little bit in Asian markets, but of course tracking Wall Street losses that we see since the beginning of the week, especially after the Fed has also we're pricing in a 25 basis point rate cut coming soon in November versus the 50 basis points that we were anticipating, and also the US election. So I think there's a lot of things putting stocks under pressure right now, but most of all, I think it's the mixed earnings.
The latest Tokyo inflation data, I mean, look good, down 0.4%. How will that influence the Bank of Japan's monetary policy decisions that are coming up?
I think for Japan, though, it's quite different. The yen has been losing a lot of momentum lately. After the last rate hike that we saw a little bit of push for the yen. But now that inflation is below target, 1.8% for core CPI, I think that there's no reason to hike rates right now. And with the new PM coming in, after being elected last month, he's also a bit dovish about rate hikes, and I think this is really pressuring the yen right now. So inflation still coming below target isn't a really good thing for the policy right now.
Thank you very much, Nadia. Nadia El-Belassi she's Equiti Group Senior Market Analyst. She joins me from Dubai. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
A group of Kenyan